Hello, I'm Dr. Ann Hebda from Complete Health Dentistry. September is Thyroid Cancer Awareness Month. In our office, when you come in for your cleaning and exam, we do an oral cancer screening and a head and neck exam. What I'm doing in the head and neck exam is actually palpating the thyroid gland, which is a butterfly-shaped gland on your neck. Also in our office, we have prevention set up, so when we take our digital x-rays, we also have a thyroid collar that protects your neck. I just want to stress complete health, and again, dentistry is an integral part of your complete health. One of the reasons we're talking about thyroid cancer, unfortunately, it's affected one of our dear teammates. You know Crystal, you see her beautiful face at the front office. She's agreed to share her story. So without further ado, Crystal, can you please tell us about your diagnosis and your journey and how things are now for you?
Yeah, I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer in October of 2017, last year. I went to go see my endocrinologist. I had hypothyroidism before I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer, which led me to my endocrinologist. He did an ultrasound on my neck. He found a mass on my left side, a 3-centimeter mass. From there, I had a biopsy done, a fine needle aspiration that confirmed I had stage 1 papillary carcinoma. From there, I had my full thyroid removed, a full thyroidectomy, and from now to the future, I'm on medicine for the rest of my life to keep my thyroid levels in check. It was a very scary journey. It was a fast journey, but it has made me a very strong person with anything that comes in my way now, because it was just, cancer is very scary, but luckily here in our office, we do protect the neck with the thyroid collar. Dr. Hebda does feel the neck to make sure there's not any lumps. This is a very serious cancer. It is not the best cancer to have. It's still cancer, and the cases are rising. So I really encourage people to get their necks checked.
Thank you so much, Crystal. I just want to comment, we were with Crystal when this horrible news happened. Her strength was just so inspiring for the whole office. She attacked this. She set up her visits. She followed through with everything. So I think what we've learned from this also is you have to be strong and just deal with the facts and move forward. So we're so happy that she's here. So what we're asking for the month of September, when you come into our office, we have these adorable bracelets, and we're asking for any donation that you see fit, and all of the proceeds will go to thyroid cancer awareness. So thank you.